Hello, friends! Welcome to Ocean Favorites. Let's meet amazing ocean animals. Here we go! Look, it's a dolphin. Say dolphin. One more time. Dolphin. Yay! Dolphin. Can you swim like a dolphin? Swim, swim, splash. Amazing! Dolphins are smart. They love to jump and play with their friends. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, dolphin. See you next, ocean friend. Whoa! Look at that fin. It's a shark. Everybody say, shark. Yay! Shark. Can you swim like a shark? Swish. Splash. Amazing! Sharks are powerful swimmers, and they love exploring the big blue ocean. Give the shark a wave. Bye-bye, shark. See you on our next ocean adventure. Wow! Look who's popping up! It's a whale! Everybody say, whale! Nice job! Whale! Can you make a big whale splash? Splash! Amazing! Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They love to swim and dive deep. Blow your whale spout. Whoosh! Bye-bye, whale! Peekaboo. Who's hiding behind the rocks? It's an octopus. Octopus. Can you say octopus? Great talking. Octopus. Let's wiggle 8 arms together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Awesome! Octopuses have 8 arms and are very clever. Sometimes they hide with a little puff of ink. Bye-bye, octopus. See you at the next sea adventure. Look! A sea turtle is swimming by. Say it with me. Sea turtle. One more time. Sea turtle. Yay! Sea turtle. Can you swim nice and slow like a sea turtle? Glide. 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 Wonderful! Sea turtles use their strong flippers to swim across the ocean. They love to explore the blue sea. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, sea turtle. See you next, ocean friend. Look, it's a jellyfish. Jellyfish? Can you say jellyfish? Wonderful. A jellyfish. Let's float like a jellyfish. Float, float, wiggle. Great job! Jellyfish don't have bones. They gently drift with the ocean waves. Bye-bye, jellyfish. See you next, ocean friend. Wow! A bright orange clownfish. Say it with me, clownfish. One more time, clownfish. Yay! Clownfish. Can you swim like a little clownfish? Swim, swish, swim. Amazing! Clownfish love hiding in sea anemones to stay safe. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, clownfish. See you again. Peek over here. It's a seahorse. Everybody say, seahorse. Yay! Seahorse. Can you bob up and down like a seahorse? Bob, bob. Fantastic! Seahorses use their tiny fins to swim, and the daddy seahorse carries the babies. Bye-bye, seahorse! See you next ocean friend! Look what we found! It's a starfish! A starfish! Can you say starfish? Awesome! A starfish! Stretch your arms out like a star. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Beautiful! Starfish have 5 arms, and if one arm is lost, many can grow it back. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, starfish. See you at the next sea adventure. Click-clack. Here comes a crab. Say, crab. Great job. Crab. Can you walk sideways like a crab? Sidestep, sidestep, click-clack. So fun. Crabs have 2 strong claws to help them pick up food and protect themselves. Bye-bye, crab. See you next, ocean friend. Look who's here. It's a lobster. Lobster. Let's say it together. Lobster. Great job. Lobster. Can you open and close your claws? Snap, snap. So fun. Lobsters have strong claws to help them catch food and stay safe. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, lobster. See you next, ocean friend. Waddle, waddle. Who's that? It's a penguin. Penguin. Everybody say penguin. Yay! Penguin. Can you waddle like a penguin? Waddle, waddle. Fantastic! Penguins can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers. Bye-bye, penguin. See you at the next ocean adventure. Splash! Wow! It's an orca! Say it with me. Orca! One more time. Orca! Awesome! Orca! Can you make a big splash? Splash! Splash! Great work! Orcas are also called killer whales, and they love swimming with their families. Wave goodbye! Bye-bye, orca! Whoosh! Something is gliding by. It's a stingray. Stingray. Can you say stingray? Excellent. Stingray, let's glide like a stingray. Glide, glide. Beautiful. Stingrays flap their fins like wings as they swim through the sea. Bye-bye, stingray. See you again. Zoom, Zoom! Look! It's a squid! Everybody say, squid! Great talking! Squid! Can you stretch your arms like a squid? Stretch! Wiggle! Amazing! Squid can squirt ink to help them hide. What's this? An ocean box! So many ocean animals! Let's play and learn together! Clap! Clap! Look who's splashing! It's a seal! Say it with me! Seal! Fantastic! Seal! Can you clap like a happy seal? Clap! Clap! Hooray! Seals love to swim, dive, and rest on big rocks. Bye-bye, seal! See you next ocean friend! Who's swimming there? It's a shrimp! Everybody say, shrimp! Great job! Shrimp! Can you wiggle your fingers like a little shrimp? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle! So fun! Shrimp are small, but they are super fast swimmers. Wave goodbye! Bye-bye, shrimp! See you again! Listen! It's a sea lion! Sea lion! Let's say it together. Sea lion! Awesome! Sea lion! Can you balance like a sea lion? Balance, balance! Clap! Amazing! Sea lions use their strong flippers to swim and can even clap them together. Bye-bye, sea lion! See you at the next ocean adventure! Wow! Look how big it is! It's a whale shark! Can you say, whale shark? One more time. Whale shark! Great talking! Whale shark! Stretch your arms out wide. Wider, wider, wow! Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the ocean, and they gently swim while eating tiny plankton. Wave goodbye! Bye-bye, whale shark! See you next ocean friend! Peek, peek! Who's smiling? It's a beluga whale! Say it with me. Beluga whale! Yay! Beluga whale! Can you make a happy whale sound? Woo! Beautiful! Beluga whales are bright white and love swimming with their families in cold oceans. Bye-bye, beluga whale. See you at the next sea adventure. Wiggle! It's an eel! Let's say it together. Eel! Fantastic! Eel! Can you wiggle like an eel? Wiggle, wiggle! So fun! Eels have long, smooth bodies that help them swim through tiny spaces. Bye-bye, eel! See you next, ocean friend! Ah! Look at the gentle manatee! Manatee! Everybody say, manatee! Nice job! Manatee! Can you float slowly like a manatee? Float, float. So peaceful. Manatees are gentle ocean animals that love to munch on seagrass. Bye-bye, manatee. See you at the next ocean adventure. Clap, clap. It's a walrus. Can you say walrus? Awesome. Walrus. Can you pretend you have long tusks? Smile. Great. Walruses have long tusks and whiskers, and they love resting on the ice with their friends. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, walrus. Splash, splash. Look who's floating. It's sea otter. Say it with me. Sea otter. Hooray! Sea otter. Can you pretend to float on your back? Float, float. Wonderful! Sea otters like to float while holding hands so they don't drift away. Bye-bye, sea otter. See you at the next sea adventure. Pop. What's happening? It's a pufferfish. Pufferfish. Say it with me. Pufferfish. Great job. Pufferfish. Can you puff up your cheeks? Puff. So funny. Pufferfish can puff up into a big round ball when they feel scared. Bye-bye, pufferfish. See you next, ocean friend. Look at those beautiful fins. It's an angelfish. Angelfish. Everybody say angelfish. Wonderful. Angelfish. Can you gently wave your hands like an angelfish? Wave, wave, swim. Beautiful. Angelfish glide gracefully through warm coral reefs. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, angelfish. Wow, look at the spiky lionfish. Lionfish? Can you say lionfish? Awesome. Lionfish. Let's stretch our fingers out like it's long fins. Stretch, stretch, wiggle. Great job! Lionfish have long, beautiful fins that help them look bigger. Bye-bye, lionfish. See you next, ocean friend. Who's swimming by in bright blue? It's a blue tang. Say it together. Blue tang. Hooray! Blue tang. Can you swish your tail like a blue tang? Swish, swish. Fantastic! Blue tangs love exploring colorful coral reefs with their fishy friends. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, blue tang. Look who's here. It's a butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. Everybody say butterfly fish. Great talking. Butterfly fish. Can you flap your hands like little butterfly fins? Flap, flap, swim. Amazing. Butterfly fish are bright, colorful fish that love swimming around coral reefs. Bye-bye, butterfly fish. See you at the next ocean adventure. Wow! Look what I see! It's an ocean map! Come explore with me! Let's go to Colorful Reef Bay. Crunch, crunch. Who's nibbling on the coral? It's a parrotfish. Say it with me. Parrotfish. Great job. Parrotfish. Can you pretend to nibble? Crunch. Crunch. So fun! Parrotfish use their strong beaks to munch on algae growing on coral reefs. Bye-bye, parrotfish. See you next, ocean friend. Zoom! Look who's racing by. It's a swordfish. Everybody say, swordfish. Awesome! Swordfish. Can you point your finger like a long sword? Point, point. Zoom! Fantastic! Swordfish have a long, pointed nose that helps them swim swiftly through the ocean. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, swordfish. It's a flying fish. Say it together. Flying fish. Hooray! Flying fish. Can you spread your arms wide and glide? Glide. Amazing! Flying fish leap out of the water and glide through the air for a short distance. Bye-bye, flying fish. See you next, ocean friend. Swish, swish. Who's swimming so fast? It's a barracuda. Can you say barracuda? Great talking! Barracuda. Let's swim super fast. Swish, swish, zoom. Excellent! Barracudas are speedy swimmers with shiny silver bodies. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, barracuda. Splash! Look at those bright yellow fins. It's a yellowfin tuna. Everybody say, yellowfin tuna. Wonderful! Yellowfin tuna. Can you swim fast like a tuna? Swim! Swim! Fantastic! Yellowfin tuna are strong, fast fish that love swimming together in the open ocean. Bye-bye, yellowfin tuna. See you at the next ocean adventure. Next stop, let's meet more little ocean friends. Peekaboo! Who's hiding in a shell? It's a hermit crab. Say it with me. Hermit crab. Great job. Hermit crab. Can you hide like a hermit crab? Hide. Peekaboo. So fun. Hermit crabs borrow empty shells to protect their soft bodies. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, hermit crab. Wow! Look at those big legs! It's a king crab! Everybody say, king crab! Hooray! King crab! Can you stretch your arms and legs out wide? Stretch, stretch, click-clack. Amazing! King crabs have long, strong legs that help them walk along the ocean floor. Bye-bye, king crab! See you at the next sea adventure. Tiptoe! Who's walking so slowly? It's a spider crab! Say it together. Spider crab! Wonderful! Spider crab! Can you wiggle your long legs? Wiggle, wiggle! Fantastic! Spider crabs have very long legs that help them move across the seabed. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, spider crab. Look! What a funny shape! It's a horseshoe crab. Can you say? Horseshoe crab. Great talking. Horseshoe crab. Can you make a big round shape with your arms? Round, round. Awesome. Horseshoe crabs have hard shells that help protect them as they crawl along the shore. Bye-bye, horseshoe crab. Careful! Who's that little spiky friend? It's a sea urchin. Everybody say, sea urchin. Nice job! Sea urchin. Can you stretch your fingers out like tiny spikes? Stretch, stretch, wiggle. Great work! Sea urchins have lots of little spines to help keep them safe. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, sea urchin. Our next adventure, Magical Coral Kingdom. Squish! What's that on the ocean floor? It's a sea cucumber. Say it with me. Sea cucumber. Great job! Sea cucumber. Can you stretch nice and long like a sea cucumber? Stretch, stretch, wiggle. Wonderful. Sea cucumbers move very slowly as they explore the ocean floor. Bye-bye, sea cucumber. Wave. Look at those wiggly arms. It's a sea anemone. Everybody say, sea anemone. Hooray! Sea anemone. Can you wave your fingers like an anemone? Wave, wave, wave. Beautiful. Sea anemones gently sway with the ocean waves and make a cozy home for clownfish. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, sea anemone. See you again. Wow! So many beautiful colors. It's coral. Say it together. Coral. Awesome. Coral. Can you point to your favorite color? Pink, blue, yellow. Great choosing! Coral reefs are home to lots of amazing ocean animals. Bye-bye, coral. See you at the next sea adventure. Squeeze. What's that? It's a sea sponge. Can you say sea sponge? Fantastic. Sea sponge. Can you pretend to squeeze a soft sponge? Squeeze, squeeze, pop. So fun. Sea sponges come in many shapes and colors under the sea. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, sea sponge. Spin. Look at the beautiful shell. It's a nautilus. Everybody say, nautilus. Wonderful. Nautilus. Can you draw a big spiral with your finger? Round, round. Amazing. A nautilus lives inside its special spiral shell and swims through the deep ocean. Bye-bye, nautilus. Hi, friends. So many colorful fish. Let's meet our fish friends. Swim with me. Flash, flash. Who's changing colors? It's a cuttlefish. Everybody say cuttlefish. Wonderful. Cuttlefish. Can you pretend to change colors? Blue, red, yellow. Wow! Cuttlefish can change their colors to hide and stay safe. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, cuttlefish. See you at the next sea adventure. Wow! Is it a leaf? No, it's a leafy sea dragon. Say it together. Leafy sea dragon. Fantastic! Leafy sea dragon. Can you sway like a leaf in the water? Sway, sway, sway. Beautiful! Leafy sea dragons look just like floating seaweed, making them great at hide and seek. Bye-bye, leafy sea dragon. See you again. Look closely. It's a pipefish. Can you say pipefish? Great talking. Pipefish. Can you stay nice and straight, like a pipefish? Straight, straight. Wiggle. Awesome! Pipefish have long, skinny bodies and love hiding in seagrass. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, pipefish. See you next, ocean friend. Slither, slither. Who's swimming by? It's a sea snake. Everybody say, sea snake. Hooray! Sea snake. Can you wiggle like a sea snake? Wiggle, wiggle. Great job! Sea snakes move smoothly through the water with their long bodies. Bye-bye, sea snake. See you at the next sea adventure. Open, close. It's an oyster. Say it with me. Oyster. Great job. Oyster. Can you open and close your hands like an oyster? Open, close. Wonderful! Oysters make beautiful pearls inside their shells. Bye-bye, oyster. See you next, ocean friend. Peek, pop. Who's inside the shell? It's a clam. Everybody say clam. Awesome. Clam. Can you clap your hands open and shut? Open, shut. So fun! Clams like to burrow in the soft sand under the sea. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, clam. See you again. Look! A shiny mussel. Can you say mussel? Great talking. Mussel. Let's make a tiny shell with our hands. Close, tight. Fantastic. Mussels stick to rocks and stay together in big groups. Bye-bye, mussel. See you at the next sea adventure. Listen. Can you hear the ocean? It's a conch. Say it together. Conch. Hooray! Conch. Can you make a gentle ocean sound? Ooh, beautiful! A conch has a beautiful spiral shell that many sea animals call home. Wave goodbye! Bye-bye, conch. See you next, ocean friend. Wow! Look at all the colors! It's a sea slug! Everybody say, sea slug! Wonderful! Sea slug! Can you crawl nice and slowly? Crawl, crawl! Great job! Sea slugs come in many bright colors and amazing patterns. Bye-bye, sea slug! See you again! Look what we found in the sand! It's a sand dollar! Say it with me! Sand dollar! Fantastic! Sand dollar! Can you draw a big circle in the air? Round, round! Amazing! Sand dollars live under the sandy ocean floor and have a pretty star-shaped pattern. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, sand dollar. See you at the next sea adventure. Swish, swish! Look at that long fin! It's a Moorish idol. Say it with me. Moorish idol. Great job! Moorish idol. Can you wave your hand like it's long fin? Wave, wave. Beautiful. Moorish idols have bright stripes and love swimming around colorful coral reefs. Bye-bye, Moorish idol. See you next, ocean friend. Tap! Who's swimming over here? It's a triggerfish. Everybody say, triggerfish. Awesome! Triggerfish. Can you make a little fish face? Kiss! Kiss! So funny! Triggerfish have strong fins that help them swim quickly through the reef. Wave goodbye! Bye-bye, triggerfish! See you again! Look! It looks so flat! It's a batfish! Can you say batfish? Fantastic! Batfish! Can you stretch your arms out nice and wide? Wide! Glide! Amazing! Batfish have tall, flat bodies that help them glide through the water. Bye-bye, batfish! See you at the next sea adventure! Who's shaped like a little box? It's a boxfish! Say it together. Boxfish! Hooray! Boxfish! Can you make a little square with your hands? Square, square. Great job! Boxfish have box-shaped bodies that make them easy to recognize. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, boxfish. Moo. Just kidding. It's a cowfish. Everybody say cowfish. Wonderful. Cowfish. Can you point to its tiny horns? Point, point. Smile. So fun. Cowfish have two little horns that make them look a bit like a tiny cow. Bye-bye, cowfish. See you again. Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to dive into the ocean? Let's discover amazing sea animals together. Let's go. Peek, peek. What's popping out of the sand? It's a garden eel. Can you say, garden eel? Hooray! Garden eel. Can you pop up and hide? Up, down. So fun! Garden eels peek out of the sandy ocean floor and sway with the water. Bye-bye, garden eel. See you at the next sea adventure. Pop! Look at the colorful mantis shrimp. Everybody say, mantis shrimp. Wonderful! Mantis shrimp. Can you make tiny punchy hands? Tap, tap. Great job! Mantis shrimp have amazing eyes and super speedy little punches. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, mantis shrimp. See you next ocean friend. Look closely. Can you spot it? It's a rockfish. Everybody say, rockfish. Wonderful! Rockfish. Can you freeze like a rock? Freeze! Stay still. Great work! Rockfish like to rest near rocks where they can blend into their surroundings. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, rockfish. See you again. Peek, peek! Who's lying on the sandy sea floor? It's a flounder! Say it together. Flounder! Hooray! Flounder! Can you lie nice and flat with your hands? Flat! Flat! Fantastic! Flounders are flatfish that love resting on the ocean bottom. Bye-bye, flounder. See you at the next sea adventure. Zoom! Zoom! Look who's swimming so fast. It's a needlefish. Say it with me. Needlefish. Great job. Needlefish. Can you point your finger nice and straight? Straight. Zoom. Amazing. Needlefish have long, skinny noses that help them glide through the water. Bye-bye, needlefish. See you next, ocean friend. Swish. Who's swimming in a hurry? It's a mackerel. Everybody say mackerel. Wonderful. It's a mackerel. Can you swim super fast? Swim. Zoom. Fantastic. Mackerel are speedy fish that love swimming together in big schools. Bye-bye, mackerel. See you again. Peek. Who's peeking out? It's a goby. Say it with me. Goby. Great job. Goby. Can you peek out? Then hide. Peek. Hide. So fun. Gobies are tiny fish that love hiding among rocks and coral. Bye-bye, Goby. See you next ocean, friend. Swish, swish. Look at the colorful wrasse. Everybody say, wrasse. Wonderful. Wrasse. Can you wiggle like a happy fish? Wiggle, swim. Fantastic. Wrasses come in many bright colors and love exploring coral reefs. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, wrasse. See you again. Look who's helping today. It's a cleaner wrasse. Say it together. Cleaner wrasse. Awesome. Cleaner wrasse. Can you pretend to give a gentle little clean? Brush, brush. Great job. Cleaner wrasses help other fish stay clean by nibbling away tiny bits they don't need. Bye-bye, cleaner wrasse. Twinkle, twinkle. Who's swimming so gently? It's a cardinal fish. Everybody say, cardinal fish. Great talking. Cardinal fish. Can you make tiny fish swims? Swim. Wonderful. Cardinal fish often swim together with their little fish friends around the reef. Bye-bye, cardinal fish. See you again. Float. Look who's drifting by. It's a Portuguese man-o'-war. Say it with me. Portuguese man-o'-war. Great job. Portuguese man-o'-war. Can you float gently with the waves? Float, float. Beautiful. It rides across the ocean with the wind and waves. Bye-bye, Portuguese man-o'-war. See you next, ocean friend. Look how cute. It's a sea bunny. Everybody say, sea bunny. Wonderful. Sea bunny. Can you wiggle your little fingers? Wiggle. So cute. Sea bunnies are tiny sea slugs with fluffy-looking little ears. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, sea bunny. Flap. Who's flying over the waves? It's a puffin. Everybody say, puffin. Hooray! Puffin. Can you flap your wings? Flap, flap. Amazing. Puffins can fly in the sky and swim in the ocean too. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye, puffin. Wow, look at the giant ocean sunfish. Everybody say, ocean sunfish. Fantastic. Ocean sunfish. Can you stretch your arms out nice and wide? Wider. Biggest. Amazing. Ocean sunfish are one of the biggest bony fish in the sea. Bye-bye, ocean sunfish. Splash! Look who's landing on the water. It's a pelican. Say it with me. Pelican. Great talking. Pelican. Can you open your mouth nice and wide? Open. Wider. Wow! Fantastic! Pelicans use their big beaks to scoop up fish. Bye-bye, pelican. See you again. Great job! You discovered 100 amazing sea animals. Thanks for exploring the ocean with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.